Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily English Teacher. Today, we're going to talk about a very common mistake that almost every English learner makes, using the word very all the time. Very good, very tired, very big. Of course, these phrases are not wrong, but if you use very too often, your English will sound basic and boring. So today, I'll show you better, stronger, and smarter words you can use instead of very. By the end of this lesson, you'll have at least 10 new words to make your English sound natural and impressive. So, why should we stop saying very? 1. Native speakers don't use it so much. It sounds too simple, like textbook English. Example. A native speaker won't usually say I'm very tired, they'll say I'm exhausted. 2. Better words exist. English is rich with vocabulary. Using stronger words makes you sound smarter and more confident. 3. It shows your level. Very good beginner level. Excellent advanced and natural. Let's look at some of the most common very phrases and learn better words. 1. Very good. Excellent, great, fantastic. Example. The food was excellent. More natural than very good. 2. Very tired, exhausted. Example. After work, I was exhausted. 3. Very big, huge, enormous. Example. Their house is huge. 4. Very small, tiny. Example. Look at this tiny puppy. 5. Very hot, scorching, boiling. Example. It's scorching outside today. 6. Very cold, freezing. Example. My hands are freezing. 7. Very angry, furious. Example. She was furious when she heard the news. 8. Very happy, thrilled, delighted. Example. I was thrilled to get your message. 9. Very sad, heartbroken, miserable. Example. He felt heartbroken after the movie. 10. Very clean, spotless. Example. The kitchen was spotless. C. Each of these words sounds more powerful and natural than just very plus adjective. Let's practice together. I'll give you a very sentence, and you try to replace it with stronger word. 1. This bag is very heavy. Answer. This bag is enormous, or this bag is really heavy. 2. I'm very hungry. Answer. I'm starving. 3. She's very smart. Answer. She's brilliant, great job. Now, here's a quick quiz for you. I'll give you 3 sentences. Try to change them in the comments below. 1. He's very funny. 2. The movie was very boring. 3. I'm very scared. Write your answers in the comments using stronger words. I'll check them and give feedback. So today, we learned why you should stop saying very, and how to use smarter, stronger words instead. If you want your English to sound more natural and advanced, Practice these words every day. Like this video if it helped you. Share it with your friends who are also learning English. And don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Teacher for more easy and useful English lessons every week. See you tomorrow.